So welcome to the 27th video of basic Chinese course. In this video we will learn about the numbers from 91 to 100. The contents for today's video are introduction, characters typing and practice session. In 9th lesson we have learned about the numbers from 0 to 10. In this new lesson we will learn from 91 to 100. Do you remember in 25th video we have learned how do we say 90 in Chinese? It's 90, 90, okay? This word 90 we will use from here up till here. Okay? So let's start. How do we say 91 in Chinese? It's 91. 92. 93 is 93. 93. 94 is 94. 94. 95 is 95. 95. 96 is 96. 97 is 97. 98 is 98. Okay, 99 is 99. 99, and the last one is, it's actually not, because we have learned for 20 is 20, 30 is 30, 40 is 40, 50 is 50, 60 is 60, 70 is 70, 80 is 80, 90 is 90. So from this point of view we can normally say, right, 是, but it's actually not correct. We cannot say that 100 is not 是. Okay, we will use a new word. It's 100. 100, okay? 100, by means 100, okay? By, but we cannot, normally we can't say by, we need to say by, like 199. In English we usually say 98, 99 and 100. We don't say 100, but in Chinese we have to use this this one word. It's 100, okay? By means 100. It's actually, the pronunciation is same as in English. We say by, but it's not actually that one by, but just the pronunciation we can use the same as English. By, 100, okay? 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and the last one is 100. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and the last one is 100.
So now comes to the characters typing session. 91 91 91, okay. 90 number second 91, 91 92 90, okay. 90 92 93 90 13 94 9 9 10 4 95 95 9 10 5 96 is 96 9 10 6 97 is 97 9 10 7 98 is 98 9 10 8 99 is 9 10 9 and the last one is 100 100. Okay, so number one character is right. Okay, 100. Okay, let's take a review. 91 92 93 94 95 96 97 98 99 and last one is 100.
So now comes to the practice session. 阿丽跟我读91
91
92
92
93
93
94
94
95
95
96
96
97
97
98
98
99
99
100.
100.
This channel is actually for learning basic Chinese and preparation for HSK levels. If you are a beginner and want to learn Chinese for free, so please join us by subscribing to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon that you won't miss any updates in the future.